Sprain. I got a sprain in my ankle while playing soccer. He wore a bandage to support the sprain. Swelling. He noticed swelling after the insect bite. The swelling on her knee got worse overnight. Gash. The doctor stitched up the gash carefully. The gash bled heavily before it was treated. Graze. I got a graze on my elbow from falling. She washed the graze to prevent infection. Bump. The bump started to swell quickly. She rubbed the bump gently to ease the pain. Bruise. It took a week for the bruise to fade. She found a dark bruise on her arm. Cold. I caught a cold after walking in the rain. He has a runny nose and a bad cold. Cough. She covered her mouth when she coughed. The doctor gave him syrup for his cough. Fever. She stayed in bed because of a high fever. He took medicine to lower his fever. Sore throat. The sore throat lasted for a few days. A sore throat can make it painful to swallow. Diarrhea. The doctor gave him medicine to stop the diarrhea. He stayed home due to diarrhea. Vomit. The child vomited after eating too much candy. She felt sick and began to vomit. Nausea. Nausea often comes before vomiting. She felt nausea after the long car ride. Dizziness. He sat down because of sudden dizziness. The doctor checked her for causes of dizziness. Digestion. Good digestion is important for your health. He ate slowly to help with digestion. Irritation. He felt skin irritation after using the new soap. Dust can cause eye irritation. Suffocation. Smoke can cause suffocation in a fire. Even I also feel that the feeling of suffocation. Itch or scratch. He scratched his leg after a mosquito bite. Try not to scratch too much, or it might bleed. Measles. She had a high fever and a rash from measles. The doctor confirmed it was measles after the test. Paralysis. The accident caused paralysis in his legs. She is undergoing therapy for partial paralysis. Mouth ulcer. He has a painful mouth ulcer on his tongue. spicy food made her mouth ulcer worse. Prickly heat. He got prickly heat after sweating a lot. Prickly heat causes red, itchy rashes. Pimple. He had a pimple on her forehead. Pimples are common during puberty. Acne. Acne often appears on the face, chest, and back. She felt shy because of her acne. Blister. He got a blister from wearing tight shoes. The blister was filled with clear fluid. Pus. The doctor cleaned out the pus carefully. The wound started to leak pus. Stomachache. He had a bad stomachache after eating too much. A stomachache can be caused by indigestion. Backache. He got a backache from lifting heavy boxes. Sitting too long can cause a backache. Headache. She had a headache after a long day at work. She took medicine to ease the headache. Earache. He had an earache all night. The child cried because of the earache. Eye strain. She took a break to rest her eyes and reduce eye strain. He got eye strain from staring at the screen too long.